because it's nearly Easter, and for this year's Easter video, we're going to be doing Easter bonnets. We're going to be decorating them, but not in the usual decorations way. My sister is going to do a special event. She's going to use real life chocolate and marshmallows and eggs to decorate hers. I just want to do some, well, decorations and make it look cute. So let's get started. Okay guys, shall we start our bonnet now? I start our bonnet now? Yay! Let's go. Get this. I want to start with this. Okay then, you can start with that. Look at how long this is. My first part is done, and it looks quite pretty, right? My second part is going to be short and quick. I'm gluing these eggs over here at the front. Done. Yay! Which one's Let's take them out. You want the sparkly ones? Yeah. Pink chicken? I'll take the chicken. Big rabbit sticker! Purple rabbit! Purple egg! Done. Wow, it looks so pretty, but we're not done yet. We're going to add some of this, which looks like a nest, and then add some little chicks, which looks like it's hatching out. Our Easter bonnets are ready. How do you like our bonnets? Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like our bonnets and I hope you make some at home too. Let's wear our hats. Do I look funky or what? Funny. Come on, let's put your bonnet on. Okay, just go on. Right. Be careful, it's quite heavy. Yeah, this is really heavy, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! We love our bonnets. My sister loves her candy bonnet and I love my decoration bonnet. Shall we get a marshmallow? Come on. Not that! This one there. Left it. Yeah, take that one. You got a rabbit! Take it. Bye. Bye, guys. Remember to like.